Turin, the capital city of the northern Italian region of Piemonte, or Piedmont. Today, Turin is a modern city with a population of 900,000 inhabitants. It ranks as number 4 in Italy, behind its 3 bigger sisters, Rome, Milan, and Naples. Like all cities in Italy, and Turin is no exception, it has a lot of history and a strong personality. Before we go any further, let's see exactly where we're going today. We are visiting the gardens of the Royal Palace, which is located right in the center of the city. You cannot miss it, and there is plenty of other attractions nearby, such as the Mole Antonelliana and the Egyptian Museum. From 1563, it was the capital of the Duchy of Savoy. Then, the Kingdom of Sardinia ruled by the House of Savoy. And finally, it was the capital of the Kingdom of Italy from 1861 to 1865. The town of Moncalieri is located 8 kilometers or 5 miles south of Turin, easily reachable by city bus or local trains. You can reach Moncalieri by bus, either numbers 45 or 67 from downtown Turin, takes about 25 minutes, or by train from Lingotto, Porta Susa or Porta Nuova. It's about a 10-minute ride, and the price either of the bus or the train is around €2. Once you arrive at the train or the bus station, you need to walk up to the old town where the castle is. It takes about 10 minutes. Moncalieri was founded in the 13th century as a defense fortress, and later it was acquired in the 17th century by the House of Savoy, whose members lived in the castle during the summer months. The Castle of Moncalieri is one of the Savoy residences, together with the Royal Palace in Turin, Stupinigi, Venaria Reale, and others, to be listed as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. Since 1921, the castle is the home of the 1st Battalion of Carabinieri in Piemonte. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like, and comment. It doesn't cost you anything, and it helps me keep on making videos for this channel. If you wish to see more videos like this one, click on the cards you see on your screen. Until next time, this is Mark from Food Travel Planet signing off. Thank you for watching. Ciao, alla prossima!